Hey, fourth graders. This is pages 299 to 300. Man, we're on page 300. All right, let's get started. Okay, so number one, find the area and the perimeter of these polygons. Use the correct formulas. So, yeah, again, area and perimeter. We've been really focusing on this for the past four or five lessons. Okay, anyways, areas. So this is a rectangle, okay? So we know a rectangle looks like this. Oops. It's always width by length, okay? So the width is 13 feet, and the length is 19 feet. So we have to find the area first. Hopefully you recall the formula for area of rectangles. It's just length times width. Perimeter P is just 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. All right. And so these for rectangles. This is for a square. Squares are different. On squares, all the sides are equal. So if one side's 14 feet, I know that the rest of the sides are also 14 feet. And the area of the square is just side times side. Perimeter is just 4 times the side. All right? Yeah. And hopefully you know that perimeter measures what? It measures the distance outside of my shape. All right, so if I was building a fence, I would need to figure out the perimeter so I know how much fencing to build. And our answer is going to be in the same units as, so whatever feet, okay, not square feet. Square units are only for area. Okay, so when you're looking for area, you do it in square units, square feet, square inches, square yards. And area, we know that area measures the surface area, how much surface area a shape has. So if I wanted to put carpet onto inside my house, I would need to figure out how many square feet, how many squares of carpet do I need to buy. All right. All right. Let's see. 2, divide and check. It's pretty straightforward. Change it to an improper fraction. I think it's been a while since we've done these. I'm going to do example 1 here. So 3 4/7. Hold on. So 3 4/7. I'm gonna do example question instead. Oops. Let me fix this. Nope, that's not what I want. All right. Okay. So instead of 3 4/7, let's do 2 3/8. All right. So if you recall, to make it improper, well, improper fraction is when the top number is bigger than the bottom number. For example, 45/3. That's improper because my numerator, 45, is bigger than my denominator, which is 3. So in order to change, if I'm going to change this mixed number to an improper fraction, the top number, the numerator, needs to be bigger than my denominator, the bottom number. So 2 times 8, that's the first step, 2 times 8, and then add the numerator, 3. So the whole number times the denominator, then add a numerator. So 2 times 8 equals 16, plus 3 equals 19, and my denominator here is whatever my denominator is in this fraction, so bring that over. So 18/9. Okay, so that's how I would change 2 3/8 into an improper fraction. Do the same for A, B, C, and D on number 3. Solve these measurement problems. So 1, 2, 3 steps. Special number. How many pecks are in the bushel? There are 4 pecks. So our special number is 4. Okay. Alrighty. 2 tons plus 80 pounds equals how many pounds? 1, 2, 3 steps again. Have I been circling the S this whole time? Yeah, I wasn't supposed to be circling the S. I was supposed to circle the number. Okay, anyways, not a big deal. Okay, special number you need to know for this is 2,000. There are 2,000 pounds in a ton. All right. Um, Number 5. Word problems, everyone's favorite. Okay. Word problems are really important because it makes math more real in your life. Anyways, number 5. Holly's classroom at Rocky Mount Christian School is 28 feet by 30 feet. What is the perimeter and area? So you're looking. So this is a rectangle. It's 30 feet in length, 28 feet in width. What's the area? Or what's the perimeter first, and what's the area? So exact same thing as what you were doing on this part here. Okay. B. Mr. Boutwell's last 5 months electric bill were $132.87, $153.06, $142.67, $139.38, and $149.62. Find the average electric bill. So what you need to do find the average, right? Forgot to underline this question here. Sorry. So circle the numbers, underline the question. Okay. Add up all the prices here. Add them all up. Whatever total you get, divide it by how many prices there are. How many prices are there? There are 5. Okay? There are 5 bills. So divide 5 into a total. You'll get your average. Write each as a decimal or a mixed decimal. Let's do an example question here. So let's do 3 over 100. So if you remember my shortcuts, why is it pink? Oops, I wanted to do everything. Okay. Sorry. I write down here. So 3 over 100. How to write that as decimal? So my 3 needs to be in the hundredths place. If you recall, decimal point here, it goes tenths, then hundredths, right? So 3 needs to go in the hundredths place, and I need to put a 0 here. Okay? So shortcut way is to write down however many zeros there are. That's how many decimal places you need to have. And put 3 in the last, wherever your numerator is, needs to go in the last decimal place. And the rest is zeros, so 0.03. Okay? 7, reduce to lowest terms. That means you have to simplify it. 6 tenths. What number can go into both 6 and 10? 2. This is 3 fifths. Can I make this? Is there another number that I can divide 3 and 5 by? Nope. So 3 fifths is the lowest term. Okay. Number 8, very hard. I'm sure you guys will have a tough time on number 8. Number 9, mark under the true statements. 392 is divisible by 4, or 118 is divisible by 3 and 9. So which one is true? Is it true that I can divide 392 by 4? Or is it true that I can divide 118 by 3 and 9? I forgot what I remember that poster I made about the division rules. Let's see. I wonder if right here in the back does it have the rules? Divisibility, yeah, the divisibility rules. All right, it's on page 344. All right. So we know a number is divisible by 4 if the last 2 digits are both zeros, or if they are divisible by 4. So if I added the last 2, is that true? Okay. Hold on. Divisibility rules. A number is divisible by 4 if the last 2 digits are both zeros, or if they are divisible by 4. Oh, okay. Okay, and the divisibility rule for 3 and 9. For 3, it is if the sum of the digits is divisible by 3, and for 9 is if the sum of the digits is divisible by 9. So if we added all this up, 8 plus 1 plus 1, this will give me 10. Yeah. So is 10 divisible by 3? Nope. By 9? Nope. So that's not true. 392 is divisible by 4. Huh. Okay. Is that true? I'm not sure about that. All right. You figure that out by yourself. All right. So out of these two, which one is true? So you have to fill in the one that's true. Okay. You know what? I'm going to do this real quick. 4 divided by 300 Can 4 go into 392? Let's see. All right, so 9 would be 36, 32. Oh yeah, 98. Okay, so this is a true statement. All right. Anyways, okay, guys, take care.